Yeah. So he's asking no between E and H only. So let's go for distribution of charge. Let's get into distribution of charge. So here the charge will enter at E. The charge will enter at E. What charge entered here at E, that much of charge what meant should leave at H. That's what no, because I connected a battery here. So here it will be like a some charge. So we'll calculate equicapacitance path. So we have to identify is there any such path. And the charge flown through EA and EH should be different here. So we are at E open, it will branch out into three circuits. So can we put same charge in this 2 farad and this 2 farad? So how do you can say that one? I'll do one thing. I'll go for 2 farad, 2 farad. Look at the junction A and F. Again, A connected to 1 farad to the point D, to 2 farad to the negative terminal of cell. Again you see that one. Here, 1 farad to the cell. Again look at this particular. It is connected to 2 farad like this. So here also you can see that one. And look at this. Here the junction A will branch out into 1 farad and 2 farad, and to the B. So look at this particular thing. It will 1 farad, 2 farad, and again it will be connected. This one. So how to divide the charge, and from that open charge division, we have to identify is there any equipotential points. If equipotential points, we can read out the circuit. Then we can work out the problem. So the charge division. So we'll take the charge division like this. So let this be. Okay, Q I'll assume. Q minus Q. So here also Q minus Q. Here some charge will flow. So I'm lot Q dash, Q dash. This one. This charge Q, will it divide equally here? No, 2 farad and 1 farad is there. So let me write it as Q1 minus Q1, Q2 minus Q2. I'm writing in small fonts. You can magnify in your mobile. It'll be like this. So similarly, this will branch out Q1 minus Q1, Q2 minus Q2. This Q1 will combine. Here I'll get 2Q1. So 2Q1 will come here. So okay, what to do? What to do with this Q2 now? And 2Q1 will come. So here is it equirescence path? As it is. So this Q1 now send like this, and here you send Q1. Q1 plus Q2 will combine. Here Q1 plus Q2 will combine. So this is 2 farad. You see the charge distribution. The negative plate charge I'm not showing. Space not there. So from this VEA should be equal to VE. You write the, say not by looking at, you should distribute charge, then we have to bring the idea that one. So here I'll write the loop equation VE minus Q by 2 minus VA equal to 0. So VEA is equal to Q by 2. Similarly, VE minus Q by 2 minus VF equal 0. So VEF is equal to Q by 2. So therefore, A and F are at same potential with respect to E. VA equal to VF with respect to E. Similarly, look at the VD and VG. So one more loop equation. Similarly, one more loop equation. VD minus Q1 plus Q2 by 2 minus VH equals 0. And other side, VG minus Q2 by 2 minus VH equal to 0. So therefore, what you can write? VD equal to VG with respect to H. So what we have got it now, A and F are at same potential, D and G are same potential. There are no capacitance directly connected. So you can then make them as common point and you have to redraw the circuit. You get the required answer. So the capacitance, I'll give the values. This will be your answer. Cross check it. So this should be equal to 26 by 5 farad. I didn't consider micro, no? So if you bring that micro, it will be like this. So micro word, I didn't bring it here. All the capacitance are 2 farad only I made it. So micro, if you want, you can take it out. Then you can easily calculate the charge. Charge flown through the battery will be CEH into V. And the answer will come around 208 coulombs. You have to read all circuit. You have to read all circuit. A simple series parallel, it will come, of course, here. So you can choose the points like a comma F. This is B, C, then D comma G, then here E will come here. Then here it should be the H. And we have connected one battery across the E and H. So redo, looking at these points, connect all them. It'll be much easier, you can see with this. Okay, let's take the other one. Yeah, this is like, one of the plate is tilted. Different, again in parallel plate, the conditions he has brought it. One of the plate is tilted.